It's true that AI and automation are pretty much everywhere these days, but still, we often see some industries where humans are handling most of the tasks, like in those massive warehouses where we see high-tech machines moving goods, but they need to get commands from humans. Now, what if we told you there's a company out there that's trying to completely change the scene? Mytra, an innovative robotics company founded by former Tesla and Rivian robotics experts. Together, they've developed groundbreaking three-dimensional robotics that will take warehouse automation to a whole new level. And after being in the industry for just 2 years, they're already transforming how warehouses work. So now, let's not waste any more time and take a step back to where it all started. Back in 2022, Chris Walty and Ahmad Baitelmal came together to start Mytra Robotics in South San Francisco, California. Both of them were tied up with one goal: to completely transform warehouse automation. With years of experience at top companies like Tesla and Rivian, they were ready to take on the challenge and bring something new to the table. Chris, now Mytra's CEO, started his career as an electrical engineer and later worked in renewable energy and consulting. However, his big leap came when he joined Tesla, where he spent over 7 years leading some groundbreaking projects. He headed the Optimus humanoid bot team and managed robotics and logistics operations, where he basically gained deep insights into the challenges of warehouse systems. At Tesla, Chris played a key role in the supercharger team, launching innovations like paid supercharging and other hardware solutions. During this time, he realized how outdated traditional warehouse systems were. To operate, people had to rely on fixed machines like forklifts and conveyors. That's when the idea of creating something smarter and more adaptable began to take shape in his mind. Meanwhile, Baitelmal also brought a wealth of experience to the table because of his 25 years of working experience on large-scale enterprise systems. He joined Tesla in 2017 when there was still a lot of skepticism around electric vehicles and their future. Despite the uncertainty, he dove into solving problems in manufacturing and logistics automation. Baitelmal later worked at Rivian, where he gained even more hands-on experience in factory software development. Ahmad saw firsthand how traditional systems often slowed down progress and made warehouse operations unnecessarily complex. This realization fueled his passion to design flexible, robotics-driven solutions that could tackle these inefficiencies. The idea for Mytra took shape with the help of the venture equity team at Eclipse, a firm that collaborates with talented founders to build innovative businesses. Chris and Ahmad knew there was a huge gap in how warehouses operated. Despite the rise of automation, most warehouses were stuck using bulky, rigid systems that couldn't keep up with modern needs. In just 2 short years, Mytra Robotics has become a name to watch in the world of warehouse automation. The company hasn't just been transforming how warehouses operate, it's also caught the attention of some of the biggest investors out there. On July 23, 2024, they hit a major milestone by raising a whopping $78 million in a Series B funding round. This wasn't the first time Mytra had impressed investors. Their earlier seed and Series A rounds were led by Eclipse Ventures. But this Series B round took things to the next level, with Green Oaks Capital Partners leading the charge. Other heavyweights like Frederick Karast's 515 Ventures, Gary Tan, and Lockie Groom also came on board, which further validates Mytra's potential. So, what makes Mytra such a magnet for investment? It's simple. This company is solving real, long-standing problems in warehouse operations. By introducing three-dimensional robotics, they're replacing outdated and cumbersome processes with intelligent systems designed for modern supply chains. Unlike conventional systems that handle only about 10% of material flow, Mytra's modular design automates up to 60% of the whole task. A key feature of Mytra's system is the movement of its robots. These robots are designed to handle heavy loads of up to 3,000 pounds and can move in any direction, up, down, or sideways on custom racking systems. This capability eliminates the need for fixed storage slots and enables seamless movement between adjacent cells. The robots operate autonomously, powered by AI, which allows them to make real-time decisions and handle exceptions without relying on constant internet connectivity or external computations. The technology behind Mytra focuses on simplifying hardware and maximizing performance by shifting intelligence to the software layer. This software-centric design reduces hardware complexity. ensuring high uptime and reliability without compromising robust performance. Mytra robots use advanced sensors, including computer vision, ultra-wideband technology, and motion feedback from IMU, to process sensory information in real time for precise navigation and interaction with their surroundings. The software also optimizes paths dynamically, constantly simulating the most efficient routes to avoid traffic and maintain smooth operations. Additionally, machine learning algorithms enable the system to adapt workflows on the fly, adjusting to changes in warehouse conditions and demands for maximum efficiency. The benefits of Mytra's approach are second to none. It improves operational efficiency by up to 70%, significantly reducing the labor hours required for material handling. With an uptime rate of 99.999%, the system delivers near constant availability and self-heals in case of a single robot failure. The modular design also offers unlimited configuration options, which allow warehouses to optimize vertical space and easily reconfigure layouts as needed. Now let's talk about what Mytra plans to do with this $78 million investment. They're not wasting any time. First on the agenda is growing their team. To meet the growing demand for their technology, they're bringing in top talent to strengthen operations and drive innovation. Also, they're scaling up their robotic systems. As more and more companies look to automate their warehouses, Mytra is focused on enhancing its technology to handle larger workloads and deliver even better performance. Then, the funds are also being used to roll out their systems to major clients. Companies like Albertsons, a Fortune 100 giant, are already on board, working with Mytra to automate labor-intensive tasks and make logistics smoother, faster, and more reliable. So, Mytra Robotics is not alone in the field. Even they are competing against some strong companies in the world of warehouse automation. At first, we need to talk about Symbotic. These guys are all about transforming supply chains for massive retailers and wholesalers. They've got an AI-powered robotic and software platform that's really making waves. In 2022, they pulled in $593.3 million in revenue. Their focus is on handling big operations efficiently, which makes them a favorite for retail giants. Then there's Locus Robotics, taking a more team-focused approach. Their robots aren't replacing humans, but working alongside them instead. These autonomous robots help with tasks like picking and sorting, which helps warehouses to run smoother and boost productivity without cutting out the human element. The company, Exotech, also brings something unique to the table with their SkyPod system. This setup is all about maximizing storage space and making retrieval quick and easy. Their systems are super flexible and scalable, so buyers are finding them as a great choice for the warehouses that need to stay adaptable while using space efficiently. Geek Plus is another standout player. They focus on smart logistics with robots that handle tasks like picking, sorting, and material handling. The cool thing about Geek Plus is that they work across different industries like e-commerce, retail, and manufacturing. Their versatility makes them a reliable option for businesses looking to streamline their logistics. Then there's Mytra Robotics. They're experts in using AI-driven software and robotic systems to improve order fulfillment. Their solutions are practical and efficient, helping warehouses automate without needing a complete overhaul of their existing setup. Apart from these names, there are more players in this automation field. So Mytra is obviously not in a less competitive business here. Still, they are winning the trust of the investors and rising high day after day. This company has the potential to set a new standard for warehouse operations. Because their innovation isn't just about making money, it's about shaping a future where warehouses are smarter, faster, and more adaptable to ever-changing demands. Let's see what the future holds for them and how Mytra will look tomorrow. Thanks for watching! Let us know if you have any further questions or would like to share your thoughts in the comments below. And as for everything else, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And hit the bell icon if you want more content like this on your feed.